Hey there! Check out the ZFE 7-piece 6-inch buffing polishing pad kit, designed for smooth, professional results. These waffle foam pads improve surface contact, reducing heat buildup and ensuring a flawless polish every time. Made from durable open-cell foam, they offer excellent airflow and hold polish better to minimize sling. The kit includes 5 foam pads, one 100% wool buffing pad, and 1 microfiber finishing pad for versatile use. Each pad is washable, reusable, and gentle on all paint types, including hard top coats and clear coats. Compatible with pneumatic or electric polishers, they make auto-detailing, boat compounding, and waxing easier than ever. Experience finer workmanship and a high shine finish with this advanced polishing kit. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.